Welcome back everyone. Happy Tuesday. Christine here. Glad to see all your smiling faces. Hope you guys had a great weekend. I did. I made my shelves, got them finished, and I'm pretty proud of myself. I only have one tchotchke on these shelves. And that's my little sheep guy here. In all my spring cleaning and only using what I need or having what I need and donating or selling or recycling what I don't need. So I hope you guys, if you went to Maryland Sheep and Wool Festival, that you guys found something awesome. And please share in the comments below. I'd love to know if you found something awesome. As for me, like I said, this weekend was spent making my shelves, and there's videos out there. I was going to make some more, and make a video of it. Pretty self-explanatory. They're easy, as long as you get the angles right. A lot of sanding, and there you have it. And again, not big long shelves where I can put a ton of stuff on, but just enough. And they're only 4 inches in depth. So the boards that I used were only 4 inches wide by 3/4 inch in thickness. So not a lot of space, just enough for what I need. So I'm pretty happy with it. I hope that gives you a little visual different backdrop. I don't have too much more to change it up, but we'll figure that out. So today I was like going through emails and I found a few cool articles that I'd like to share with you. And a warning. So the first, let's get the bad out of the way, and then we'll go to the good. I was reading an article on Australia and how their climate change, and right now they're going through a drought, is going to drive up the cost of wool. And if you don't know this already, Australia is known for fine merino wool. And they also do have in place ethically and sustainable merino wool. So they're working on it. That country's got it going good for them for that purpose. However, with this drought, like I said, fair warning, wool prices most likely will be rising because of they are in a drought. And watering animals is a big thing. Just like humans, we need water. So that's the warning. On a happy note, I'll put the link in the description below. I was reading a New York Times article about a Nashville, Tennessee man who owns a flock of sheep, and he's utilizing it for good, doing good, clearing land which sheep need to graze. So he's clearing like abandoned lots, there's parks, whatever. And it's pretty awesome to find articles like that where a person is doing good, and he has a degree in, I want to say landscaping, something or other, but to be sustainable, that is awesome, because not only is he clearing the land ethically and not putting chemicals or heavy machinery on that land, but he's also fertilizing it, because the sheep fertilize as they go. How cool is that? I would like to see more of that. I don't think my township would allow me to have sheep, not so close to everything else. But it is an awesome idea. So if you're in an area or have property, that is a cool idea. So again, links in the description below. Also, how about this? Converse tennis shoes. Yeah, old school Converse tennis shoes. Did you know they're actually using a crocheted fabric? Isn't that nifty? So manufacturers are catching on. Another cool thing that I came across was an article out of the UK. Well, there's actually 2 of them. So, as we all know, creatives, we get quirky, or we do odd things to get noticed, or some people just hide behind it. But A woman over there who was going to be celebrating her 100th birthday decided to knit 100 hats for premature babies. Kudos to her for giving back and to making it to 100. This just goes to show you being creative, using your mind, hands to create something wonderful, and also to give back. Great, great story. Another one is doctors in the UK now are working on a study. They might tell you to do 2 more rounds and call them in the morning instead of prescribing pills. Why? Because of the health benefits. If we already haven't been over it, I'll keep on reiterating how healthy it is to be creative. Not only to use your mind, but also to create, and also it gets you moving. So, and motivated. So today is just a little motivational Tuesday to get your week fired up if Monday was a bust for you. I have to get back in the dye pot. Now that the wood's up on the wall, I'm not tripping it over it. Gonna work on some ideas for our overhead rig so we can get dyeing together a little bit more and get some cool shots for that. So I hope you have a great day. I'll see you Friday. Hopefully we'll have some awesome new colors, or at least one new colorway underway for you. And I'll explain where the inspiration came from. So please like, subscribe as always, and hit the bell to be notified for when I post a new video. Peace.